Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In this video I am going to show you how to convert dates to days of the week. So let's get started. Select the cell where you want to apply the formula. Type is equal, text. Select the cell where the date is located. In this case we are assuming the date is in cell A2, comma, double inverted commas, 4D, close inverted commas. 4D. This is the format code used to display the full day name like Monday, Tuesday, etc. Close bracket and hit enter. I am dragging the small blue square in the corner of the cell to apply it to the other cells. This copies the formula and applies it to all selected cells. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video to others. Thank you.